Choosing the right window style is more than just a design decision. It's about finding the perfect blend of functionality, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal that suits your home and lifestyle. In Deltona, Florida, where hot summers, afternoon storms, and a love for outdoor living are the norm, selecting the best window style can make a big difference in how your home looks and performs. If you're building, remodeling, or replacing old windows, here's how to choose the best window styles for your Deltona home, based on climate, comfort, and curb appeal. Consider Deltona's climate and weather patterns. Before diving into design, think about Deltona's unique weather challenges, including high humidity, strong sun exposure, and the occasional tropical storm. Your windows should help regulate indoor temperatures, stand up to harsh conditions, and support proper ventilation. Best climate-friendly window features include impact-resistant glass for storm protection and low-E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays. Double or triple pane glass with insulating gas. Tightly sealed frames to prevent air and water leaks. Your window style should enhance energy efficiency while keeping your home comfortable through the seasons. Focus on ventilation and airflow. In Florida homes, airflow is essential. The right window style can improve cross-ventilation, reduce indoor humidity, and even help lower your energy bills. Great options for airflow in Deltona homes include casement windows. Hinged at the side, these open outward like a door and catch breezes from any direction. Awning windows. Hinged at the top and open outward, great for letting air in even during light rain. Double-hung windows. Classic and easy to use, they allow ventilation from both the top and bottom sashes. If you want to maximize fresh air while keeping your home secure and stylish, these window types are ideal. Match the style of your home. Deltona's neighborhoods feature a mix of architectural designs, from cozy ranch homes and Mediterranean-inspired builds to modern custom homes. Your window choice should complement your home's overall look. Popular window styles for specific home types. Ranch or single-story homes. Horizontal sliding windows or picture windows work well for a clean, modern profile. Mediterranean or Spanish-style homes. Arched windows or custom casements with decorative grills blend beautifully. Contemporary homes. Floor-to-ceiling picture windows or fixed glass panels maximize light and showcase views. If you're unsure what fits your home, consult with a window specialist who understands regional styles and can offer visual mock-ups. Think about function and accessibility. Your window style should match the way you live. Are there hard-to-reach areas like above the kitchen sink or in the stairwell? Do you need easy-to-operate windows for older family members? Consider these function-first styles. Sliding windows. Great for wide openings and very easy to open and close. Tilt-in double-hung windows. Excellent for second-story rooms, as they tilt inward for easy cleaning. Bay or bow windows. These extend outward, creating cozy seating or storage areas, perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. Choosing a style that's practical for everyday life makes your investment even more worthwhile. Don't forget about energy efficiency and UV protection. Florida's strong sun can heat your home quickly and cause furniture or flooring to fade. Select window styles that support energy-efficient technologies, such as low-E glass coatings, UV-blocking film, argon or krypton gas fills between pane. Combine these features with energy-efficient frame materials like vinyl or fiberglass, and you'll enjoy reduced utility bills and long-term comfort in your Deltona home. Final thoughts. Choose smart, live comfortably. Finding the best window styles for your Deltona home starts with understanding your climate, home design, and how you live. Whether you're after improved airflow, energy savings, or a stylish upgrade, the right window makes a major difference in everyday comfort and curb appeal. Work with a trusted local window expert who can guide you through your options and customize a solution that's beautiful, functional, and built to last in Florida's unique environment.